Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. Let's get started. If you go to any browser and then search for, is there any way to transfer an Amazon gift card balance to a bank account? It will say no. There's no way to transfer an Amazon gift card balance to a bank account. It's actually not possible to transfer the gift card balance. However, there are workarounds you can use to convert your gift card balance into cash. The first method is you can sell your Amazon gift card to a gift card reseller such as Raise or Cardpool. However, you still cannot directly transfer the funds to your bank account. The second method is by purchasing items to resell. Use your Amazon gift card balance to buy items that are in demand and easy to resell. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or even Facebook Marketplace are great places to sell these items. Once the sale is completed, you'll receive cash that can be deposited into your bank account. Lastly, you can offer to use your Amazon gift card balance for a friend or family member's purchase. In exchange, they can give you cash that you can deposit into your account. Keep in mind, always ensure you're following Amazon's policies and using safe practices when transferring or exchanging gift card balances. That's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.